Let's double check the Cardano ADA USDT trading pair with my customer said. Guys, at least we can confirm so Cardano is stable. Maybe we should use the Cardano like stable coin in the future. So February somewhat 21 around here 45 cents, November 17 after the four years still 45 cents. Pretty good one. And once again, it's a great visualization. What exactly Cardano trying to deliver the last 4 years? Yes, you can say open the other charts. Many tokens looks absolutely the same. So yes, the same question to the other project. What they trying to deliver? What they working on so hard the last 4 years? The ICP, the algorithms. Yes, I'm in some many tokens, but I don't like this lie around the social when the projects shield you all the time, some marketing stuff. So we work so hard on something, and this what we work on should push the price to the moon of our token, but it's never worked like this one. The Polkadot did the same. So a lot of projects, yes, absolutely agree, looks the same. Some project, for example, looks like this one. So yes, so kind of big differences, right, between the cycles and between the promises and reality. That's why, guys, it's okay. The main lesson of this video and many other videos what I posted, don't be trapped and don't be fooled with this stupid marketing campaign what they trying to sell you and shill in social media. So let's speculate the token, not fall in love in some promises of the TAG, because the TAG side and the chart side, it's two different things. I believe Cardano, like speculation, this can be one of not so many token which can hit a new all-time high. Yes, guys, just like speculation, not just because the Cardano is so special, no, just because of speculation. So the next step is 161, it's 455. So my target is still relevant, just matter of time when, right? And of course, I can be wrong, so I can't know the future. Highly recommend you use the dashboard here in one place. You can adjust the time frames, and track all my indicators in one place. So this is the dashboard. So from now the new all-time high, it can be like only 892% gains. Many tokens, guys, already performed 1000% gains the last I don't know, even the year. So many tokens perform it. So I don't think so that 1000% is something special. So the previous cycle, guys, if we count from the COVID dump low, I use the Binance chart, but you can use this one, the old chart. Both absolutely the same. And I would like to show you some data here and some data on smaller one. Let's delete this chart. So I draw it on a daily time frame. Globally, guys, here, we already retested the buy line on monthly. So technically it's okay. So we can delete all these gaps. It's already filled it. Monthly touch buy line now is 35 cents, 13. So if you wait in some buy the deep, or this story, buy the deep, you can buy in here. So at 35 cents, one take. Second one, it's the zone of accumulation. It's 32, 11 cents. Nice one. So let's count the gains from the March 2020. This one to new all-time high, it was like 16,000% gains. I hope you understand. So this cycle we will not see this gains, right? And from that low, it was 32, 23.93, 23.71. All right. From that low, if we hit the new all-time high, and it's possible, it's 1,800% gains. So yes, it's totally different cycles, guys. And it can be the three drives pattern, the global one before the major correction. Not a major correction, but the bear market. So 1, 2, 3 years. Yearly chart, it can be like this one, and after that crash it down here, consolidate, and new bull run. So just in case, guys, it's just my humble opinion. How it will play out in the future, nobody knows, but I believe Cardano can, just like speculation, hit the new all-time high, and it's from now it's only 800%. The most conservative price target, what we can reach, because we got impulse sideways. We should see the impulse on a monthly and a weekly time frame. It's $1.92, $2.20. So this block, I think we will definitely hit in near future. Locally, weekly time frame. Let's work with a global chart. There is more data. Locally here, we already tested 18 level by FIB, global one. Here's a 43 cents, 06. It's a buy line on the weekly time frame. We already, of course, tested, but we can retest this one. It's a positive. Technically, on the daily, here we usually come back and close the 50% of the week candle. On many tokens, we already did it. So where are we now? If we count the week, here we try and hold the line at 0.5 level by FIB. So let's take profit. So here we count the week. I highly recommend you go and check the free educational video, how to work with the week, how to trade the weeks. Here that we got a week candle, reject the 27 block, drop it down, test 38, come back to 0.5. If will not hold, here the next step is 42. 42, it's yes, around 61 level by FIB of we, it's 61 level by FIB and the buy line on the weekly time frame. So pretty good one. So I can add alert to the buy line, take profit, the buy line on the weekly. I would like to see that notification. Got it. So let's close this one. Trade on, we saw the signal to sell. Now no signal take profit, but on the daily we saw the take profit. Here was a sell. By the way, a lot of signals to sell was in summer, not on that flash crash. So it's one more reason to double check your analysis, with this tool. Here was a take profit signal. What is good? It's a signal to close this sales. Buy, bounce, buy, bounce. I wish to see the third drop and the bounce, or even from the 0.5 level by FIB of the week candle now. Next trouble area, guys. It's a sweep of liquidity pool of December 24, $1.32, $1.92, $2.20. So zone of accumulation 32.11. So a speculation is pretty simple, guys. Here for spot, this is a zone. This is a zone of fixation spot. After 100% profit, you withdraw initial deposit. For speculation futures, I showed you the targets. So here, 42, for example, 30, you can open the trade, adjust the stop loss, depends of your risk management, depends of leverage, for example. So here, let's say we open trade like 42, 130. So let's say stop loss 10% with second leverage, 20% stop loss against the take profit 240. So stop loss with second leverage 20% stop loss and potential profit it's 400%. Pretty simple plan after the fact can be right or wrong. We can't know. Take a look now with other indicators. ADZ I can show you because it's a global ticker, not from some exchange. Direction, market mood, guys. So is it time to sell or buy? Here was time for accumulation. Now nothing. All right. Technically in the market mood, we're in capitulation zone. Last time we've been here in the capitulation zone, October 24. We pumped at that time from 34 to $1.33. Nice one. So what to do with this information is up to you. You can adjust this analysis up to your own strategy. My zone for speculation, I showed you, I will wait 42 cents. If we'll not see the 42 cents, I just skipped Cardano for the speculation. For the spot, I don't want to buy the ADA, and I don't want to buy any token for the spot now. I already explained to you why. So this was accumulation, sell in June. Once again, the summer call. Now nothing. Market mood in capitulation, bullish. Here, money power, daily, no money inflow yet. No money inflow. Weekly time frame, yes, some whales accumulate step by step, but accumulate. Last time accumulation was here, May 24. And in November, 24, they out. So maybe they will start accumulate now, and maybe they will out in the spring 26. Who knows? So just in case, guys, 12 time frame, some accumulation, but it's a local speculative position. And the other two indicators I already showed you. So guys, like conclusion, you can rewatch once again this video and take a look at the idea for speculation, for global plan, and for middle-term targets for the spot or for the futures. If you like to trade with my custom makers I showed in this video, use right medium. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.